Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name is Levi Woods, and as always, I'm not a professional investor. I don't work in the financial industry, and I'm going to welcome myself back because I've been away for a while. I haven't been making very many videos. As you guys probably know, I bought a house and I've been renovating the basement suite. I've been just extremely busy. I've been working like a dog on Man in the High Castle, which is the TV show that I'm currently on. So I apologize that I've been away, but I promise in the near future I'm going to be making more videos. And today was especially important because we're having a rainy Thursday here in Vancouver, and I woke up to one of my stocks that I have been holding for years and years and years, one of my dividend plays that is down 22% this morning. Now, of course, I immediately went to the news to see what exactly was happening. Why have one of my dividend plays had a 22% decrease? Because that is massive. All right, so the stock today is KWH.UN. It's on the Toronto Stock Exchange, Sirius Energy Trust, and the stock has dropped a whole bunch, 22% on the open this morning. It's sitting around 18% down, trading around $5.61. Now, what that does is it increases the potential future yield of the dividend to a massive amount at 12.43% right now. So annually, if you're purchasing today, you will reap the reward of having a 12.43% return going forward. Now, to be honest, I haven't actually had a chance to look at the quarterly report in detail. I had a cursory glance at it, and I mean, numbers are up. The company's been making a move out of solar energy, and they've actually increased the revenue year over year. So the numbers seem really good, and I'm a little bit surprised that the stock is down so much because I haven't actually been able to find the news specifically in the quarterly report that it warrants this drop. So I haven't actually made my purchase today yet, but tonight, for sure, when I'm all finished for the day, I'm going to go home and I'm going to read that quarterly report in full so that tomorrow, if we haven't seen an immediate rebound, we're either likely going to see a little bit more sell-off or we're going to see this stock pop back up. And this is a perfect example of trying to time the market where we're trying to buy the panic. So if the quarterly report seems not very good and people panic sell, the price drops down. What we have to really do is figure out what is being said in that quarterly report and whether or not it's true or not, or if it's just a momentary panic. Because if that price pops back up, we've missed our opportunity. That's it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. KWH.UN on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Check it out. Also, if you're in Vancouver and you want to come say hello to me in person for the next 4 days, I just want to let you know that my art studio is going to be open tonight from 5 to 10, tomorrow 5 p.m. to 10 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Come down to 1000 Parker Street Studios in Vancouver. It's over near Clark and Venables. Check out my artwork. It's the only 4 days of the year that I have my stuff actually on display. I don't really have anything for sale. These are all like my personal art collection, the things that I've made over the years. And I would love to see you. Tell me that you're one of my subscribers just so we can chat, say hello, and maybe talk about some money for a moment. Anyways, take care. See you guys very, very soon.